I think it's getting louder than noise. Let's see what's going on. Oh. I think that means it starts back up. It's gonna be loud. Here comes the garbage truck. This is CCC McNeilus. Yeah, that's what I would ask. When I wake up in the morning, it started again. And there it is. Now let's back it up. Oh, you see the man? This should be cleared out of the leaves. When I first woke up, they had the same thing like that. I think it's a bang. It's getting loud. It didn't turn on nothing when I wake up. I don't know. I think it's going to start loud. It's going to be like seriously. Really loud, louder. I think it's going to be louder because I don't know if it's get down. It's that dumpster. I think this is getting louder because the garbage truck is getting loud. Not getting people like that. This is behind over there. Something to do. It's gonna clean all these leaves out. Leaves. Oh. You know that these days? I think he does the same thing. Oh, he's going away.